Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a pet sitting service with Rover, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Rover website to explore their services. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill out your personal information, including your name, email, and phone number. Verify your email address by checking your inbox for a confirmation message. Once verified, log in to your new Rover account. Navigate to the Become a Pet Sitter section in your dashboard. Complete your profile by adding a profile picture and cover photo of yourself or pets. Write a compelling bio that highlights your love for animals and relevant experience. Set your availability by selecting the days and times you can take on pet sitting assignments. Determine your rates based on Rover's guidelines and the local market. Add additional services you can offer, such as dog walking or overnight stays. Fill out important details about your home environment and any relevant certifications. Submit your profile for review and ensure it meets Rover's standards. Once approved, optimize your profile by regularly updating your photos and rates. Share your Rover profile link with friends and family to gain initial clients. Respond promptly to inquiries to build a positive reputation with potential clients. Communicate clearly with pet owners about their pets' needs and expectations. Prepare your home and supplies for the first pet you will sit. Meet the pet and owner beforehand if possible to establish trust. Provide updates to the pet owner during the sitting period to reassure them. Collect payments through the Rover platform for security and convenience. Seek feedback and reviews after each sitting to improve your service. Utilize customer reviews to enhance your profile and attract new clients. Continue to network in your community to grow your pet sitting business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.